Okay, Dr. York, I'm going to run you through the steps of using FFSplit, which seems to be our best option at the moment. So I tried out EasyVid, and it has the problem of not being able to record voice very well, whereas FFSource at this point, and now seems like I've got it figured out and I'm working pretty well. It takes about 5 megs per minute of video, so it's relatively low, but you have a couple of choices. As you can see, we have MKV, FLV, and MP4. Again, I think that we're going to have trouble any way we do it with having lots of different, with having very large file sizes. It's going to be in the 20 meg range, depending on what we're walking through or what we're doing. Things that I've already done. As you can see, I don't have my entire desktop in view here. I haven't yet figured out how to get it to record the game going from beginning, like it doesn't seem to be able to accept commands when I'm in Skyrim to turn off and turn on. So I have set it up to run in windowed mode, and so you can see a little bit of what's going on. So I have this right here, which is my my screen session. I have this right here, which, as you can see, we've now done some bad things because we're getting infinite regression, but that is the window of what's being recorded. And I have built my own region to be recorded, so that's important. And then I resized it within a window to make it fill up that window, and so that's going to record in whatever is viewing there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start up Skyrim, and so you're going to see some slowdowns happening here, but as you can see, we pop up first, and we have the main thing. You can only see part of it because I've set up the area up here to be where the game actually is going to be played and recorded in. So as it starts up, as you can see, much more slow down than you get with something like Fraps. EasyVid was the same way. I guess these are just a little too heavy, and they're not designed to work inside of systems quite as well. Like, I guess with all these things going on, they're just not as efficient. So, here we go. Skyrim is finally starting up, and as you can see, it's running pretty slowly. I could, of course, with it in windowed mode, hit F9 once I got in. Okay, now I have switched to this, and I am going into the game. So, let's see. Get past the Steam load ups. Okay, so I'm going to go over here, I'm going to hit continue, and I'm going to continue from my last save game. I'm in a dungeon somewhere, doesn't really matter what's going on, but as you can see right away, everything's running pretty chunky. Might just be my computer. People on the internet seem to think that that everything beyond Fraps is going to be a little bit slow. That's one of the downsides of using other things other than Fraps. I mean, it's fairly easy to steal. I know that's probably not something we want to recommend to our students, but there's that. But, yeah. So I'm probably going to end up using Fraps myself, but okay. So anyways, we've got a 3D model loaded, and it sounds like we're actually getting into the game. Oh, one thing to notice, when you start this, it's going to make a chunk noise, like, as it recognized it. Okay, but as you can see, we've got some serious FPS issues right here. That's worse than I've actually seen so far with this one. I'm not quite sure what's causing that, but but as you can see, I am actually capable of doing a little bit of moving around. I can cast spells. I think honestly, this is probably just my computer. I'm right at the limits of what I can do anyways. So we're going to bring up some light, look around. There's monsters ahead. I'm not going to bother with that. But anyways, it works, and I can make a tutorial